UCAN is excited to now offer SDS Plus and SDS Max vacuum drill bits. These innovative bits offer a high-performance solution to all dust-free drilling applications.
UCAN vacuum drill bits. Powerful, precise, efficient.
Preparation.
Focus, go ahead once you're ready. Perfect. Go ahead, turn. Just turn on the. Okay. Go ahead.
Powerful 4-cutter with innovative head design. Optimal hole cleaning. Efficient dust removal allows for continuous drilling. Precise hole dimensions and concentricity. Unique head design prevents stalling. Manufactured to ANSI standards. Ensures proper hole diameters. Two large suction holes. Minimal dust buildup due to high volume suction holes. Active head cooling results in longer drill bit life. Unique shank and body geometry. Directs the drill bit precisely within the hole. Promotes longer drill bit life. Speed. Drill speed and hole cleaning takes a fraction of the time with vacuum bits. Efficient, thorough dust removal, especially important when installing adhesive anchors. Supports systems for OSHA regulation on crystalline silica dust, number 29, CFR 1926.1153, when used with a HEPA-filtered vacuum dust extractor. We recommend using UCAN vacuum bits with a HEPA-filtered dust extractor. HEPA filters remove 99.97% of airborne particles measuring 3 microns or greater in diameter passing through it.
This completes our demonstration. For further information, refer to the UCAN Technical Manual or contact UCAN's Technical Department.